Welcome to CrystalDiffract 7. In this tutorial we'll investigate ways of scrolling and zooming the diffraction pattern. Here's a typical diffraction document showing an observed pattern and its simulated counterpart. We can specify an explicit x-axis range using the range command, either via the View, Range, Set Range submenu, or simply by clicking the Range button in the toolbar and then specifying minimum and maximum range values. CrystalDiffract comes with a scroll tool as the default tool. With this tool active, and it's the one with the hand icon in the tool strip, you can simply click and drag with the mouse to scroll horizontally. Click and drag vertically to change the y-axis range. For many Mac users, the easiest way to scroll and zoom will be via a multi-touch trackpad. Windows users might have a multi-touch screen. Two sets of gestures are possible. Standard multi-touch pinch and expand gestures allow you to control the x-axis range, and a horizontal scroll, where we emulate a horizontal scroll wheel, comprises two fingers slid horizontally across the trackpad, and this gives you very fine x-axis positioning. Notice that when scrolling, a scroller appears in the top left-hand corner. You can use this to scroll your plot. Click the thumbnail in order to explicitly position the range. Click the right side of that to expand X from the right. Click the left side to expand or Control X from the left. We also provide an optional pair of zoom buttons in the toolbar. Auto scale is available via a dedicated pair of buttons in the toolbar and also via the View Intensity submenu. We can auto scale just the y-axis, or we can auto scale x and y to match the appropriate data range in your datasets. Here we have a simulated pattern whose range goes all the way from 0 to 180 degrees 2 theta. If we were to hide that and just show our simulated pattern and then auto scale, then we would get the corresponding data range for our observed pattern. Finally, CrystalDiffract includes a magnify tool, and you can get this from the tool strip by clicking the magnify icon. And this works in one of two ways. We can click on an area of interest to expand that, hold the shift key down to contract the range about the click point. You can also use this as a rectangular zoom tool. Click and drag around an area of interest to define a zoom rectangle, then release the mouse, and that range is then zoomed. In summary, CrystalDiffract 7 provides tools for scrolling and magnification. It also includes multi-touch, auto-scaling, and an explicit plot range dialog.